You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible. It's not probable.
Okay, hey guys, Tim Subscribe here, and I figured I'd show you how to download Lcpdfr for GTA 4. So as you can see, I have two of them. Two of them that I need to do. I have Lcpdfr pullovers, so like just one where I'll pull people over, so I don't need like these callout mods, and then callouts where I can have all these mods that might crash my game. So I'll just do pullovers for now, which would be basically a car, the actual Lcpdfr mod, and I don't have any but like a radar gun. Anyway, let's get ready. So the first thing you'll need to do is download the GTA 4 patch. Just basically choose English, and it should just pop up down here. I did not download it from here, so I have no idea if this works or not. I downloaded it a different way, but I couldn't find it, so yeah, that's how you download this. Hopefully it works, I don't know. Once you got that downloaded, it should come in a folder like this. What you'll have to do then is go to like your Steam, so this PC, Windows, program files, whatever one you use, Steam apps, common, GTA, then just copy that to your desktop or background or whatever you want to say. Get your Lcpdfr thing, open it. So it looks like this. Important step. See this pull? Like if you've used GTA 4, get this pull.dll or II and move it to your desktop. Then copy. You can remove if you've still got it in a WinRAR, but because I have all my mods in a mods folder, I just do it like this. And while that's happening, what you can do is go back here, go to Lcpdfr, and download the actual Lcpdfr mod, which I've also done, so to save time, I won't do it. So just wait for this to be finished. So yeah, just click download, finish off the caption, and yeah, it should be done. So when this is finished, just put the pull back in, and basically what this does is just all your saved progress that you've done on Steam will be there, so you don't start at the beginning. Although I have noticed that it messed up my game a little bit, like with broken cop cars and all that, but it's nothing that will destroy your game or make it glitchy. Anyway, go to Lcpdfr once you've got it installed, and just copy all this. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so see, now I have all this. Now this is my pull of this. So all I have to do now, this is a personal step. You probably won't have any of this, and I don't know where you get this mod. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, if you want me to do it, like how you can install modded vehicles, I'll set up a whole different video for that. But all you do is you get Spark, you can probably look it up, or I can do a video on this to show you how, or like with links I mean. So you install Spark, you just minimize this because it's not that needed. You click on Spark 4, hit yes, you go browse, and because it's in here, it should automatically bring you to this folder. What I used to do was I used to have it in like a folder up here, and then direct it all the way to this folder. which was annoying, but now I can just do it the quick way because I'm smarter now. Anyway, so you should get something up like this. If you want a vehicle, just scroll down to this, go vehicles, import. Now again, I'm using this entire folder with everything. I go cop cars. I'm gonna use the Defender pack. You can go to data correction. Wait, is that just the? I have no idea what that is. Anyway, media. And what I'm going to do is, I'm pretty sure Police 2 is a cop car that I don't want, so I can just name that 2 because I'm pretty sure I got 1. And I can change this to Police 2. Hopefully this works. If not, I may need a change one of them, just maybe. But it looks like that didn't work. Rename this again. Police 2. Hopefully there's not 2. Police 2 is now. Okay. So yeah, it didn't say that. Got rid of. So then you save. You rebuild. Now, I don't really want to go through the process of loading it up to show you that it works. Or what I might do is I might just do it as 2 different videos. Or I might as well give you a tutorial, so I will do that. And I don't know how to edit off Vegas English Vegas 160. I thought it was bigger than that. Anyway, I don't really want to edit, so I'm just gonna stop the video and then yeah. So I am in the game now. It's like a few minutes after I just recorded, because I actually added a few more mods to this. Let me try that. There you go. That's the modded police car. So you may be like, well, how do you get into the police station? If you don't know, or if you haven't read, you hold Alt and P. There you go. Press P to, like, if you see it when you press P, it has like this really glitchy motion to it. So just press P again. And it's also blurry. Anyway, a few things I would like to show you. With the new mods I added this. And that is a lot smaller than normal. There, that should be good enough. Nope. Oh well. I guess that's not the mod I'm showcasing. It's just a police helper with like a quick menu and everything. I also changed the light, running at 60 frames ish. Alright. So as you can see, my textures may be a bit different because I have put different textures on. But you know, got the classic changes, the hats, glasses. If you go in there, you got your teammate or your partner. Getting 1000 ping while loading. Got your money police cars. I personally like the... Oh yeah, if you have the ELS mod, hold Control and M, then you can change like this. But I personally like that off. And then if you have the ELS mod, press J for state. Let me restart. Press J once for back once. Press J again for like the code 2. Press J again for code 3. Pre-sorted for you. Once you got your vehicle, press enter. You can press E. That is gonna be fixed next time I reset my game. Just a disclaimer. You can enable or disable the ANPR, which is pretty much the auto license plate runner, which on these cars is what button is it? Is it Alt F3? No, Control F3. Oh. So it is these. I'm pretty sure that's what these are for. Like, of course, it doesn't matter if you have that.
Resisting arrest. On foot. Crockett Avenue.
Oh wait, code 2, you can't activate the lights.
We got you surrounded.
Or the sirens, I mean.
Hold it right there.
Now let me just real quickly search this person.
Place your hands on top of your head so I can frisk you.
So yeah, code 2,
Tell Frank I'm
you
divorcing
can't
her anyway.
automatically... You can't turn on sirens. Code 3 you can. But what I was doing was I was pressing the T.
You seem to have a lot of different names on these bank cards. You're under arrest.
Yeah, a criminal performing drive-by activity on Broca Bridge.
Can't actually read that because it hasn't finished yet. Or it hasn't... I haven't reset my game yet, which I'll do soon. Anyway. Because I don't have too many mods on this, I should be able to get, like, it shouldn't crash when I wrote messages. Prisoner of transport. And, oh, never mind, it crashed. Anyway, see ya, people.